Hey everybody, it's Bree by the way, and today we're having a mukbang. Today I just got a fried potato sausage with um, mayo, ketchup, and mustard on it, and cheese, and some little rally fries with a little bit of ketchup. Oh, sorry about that. Alright, in my grace, and then we can eat. Amen. What you drink is just the rest of this fruit punch. That's it. Nothing major. It's gonna be a little quick video. I decided to do one because I ain't did one in a minute, so I decided to do one. It's gonna be a real quick video. I don't know what to talk about, like usually. You know, y'all should just give me something to talk about. You know, I'm kind of shy, but like if you ask questions, I open up and shit, and stuff. Actually, finna get ready to go. Man, I'm best friend to come pick me up. I love fried potato sausage. These are good. Really bad. I really ain't hungry. I had whipped this up. So, just so I can do this video. Because I ain't did one in a while. Like, it been a minute since I did one. And y'all finally can see me looking cute. No. Smoking on look. Make my mind right. Smoking on a little make my mind right. No ain't no kids or nobody here but just me. So, I want to hear that bullshit. Stuff. You want some of this too? Huh, perfect. That's the good shit I know. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. The good shit I know. I know. Yes, sir. But this is eating my bang, not no smoking my bang. Let me put that out. Oh, shit. Oh, shit. Y'all can see me eat, not smoke. Y'all want to see me smoke? Say that there. I'm a stoner. I'm stoned. No coronavirus over here. Not that good shit. Yeah, so, what y'all doing today? What y'all eating on? What you drinking on? What you smoking on? What you been doing? I been doing nothing. Curry trying to find me a job. Cause the sister tired sitting on her ass. And it ain't been that long, but my sister tired. I need some money, honeys. I'm finna start stripping in a minute. Hit the club and dance like a stripper. What? Go, I'ma see me. Amateur night Wednesday. You know? I'm funny as fuck. But what y'all doing today? I ain't been doing nothing. I literally just slept all day because I'm kind of like house sitting and shit. You know, I don't know this area, so I wasn't comfortable. You know, that's black in me, ooh. That's a black in me, ooh. And goes down over here. I got time for it. Um, um, I do nothing. I'm glad my daughter go to school. But my daughter go to school tomorrow. Today's Sunday, so Monday. I don't care. She getting up out that house, boy. Her and that teacher driving me crazy. I'm saying. Woo. Wow. And I'm gonna say I'm gonna sleep so good all day tomorrow. Sleeping so good all day tomorrow. I'm being full. So I didn't really want this. I was really hungry. I might do another mukbang later on today with some different shit. I mean stuff. And I'm just picking everything up off of her and stuff. But you know, I think I'm done here. That was a quick little video or two. Yeah, I know I don't do no editing. I don't know how to do that. I don't do no editing, so I'm still getting used to the YouTube channel, recording, you know, shebang bang. Still getting used to that, but I'm coming along. I'm finna finish smoking my little piece of blunt, and then probably finna drink on this little bit of liquor right here, and wait for my friend to come. So I go home and cook for these kids. So home, cook for these kids and stuff. So please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Yeah. Please do all those things for me so your girl can make some coins. Because I make coins, you make coins. The more coins I get, the more giveaways I do. Oh, shoot. Sorry. Excuse me. Try till I get at least like 500 subscribers. I do my first getaway. 500. Come on. Just subscribe. You don't got like this subscribe. At this point right now, we just working on the subscribe. Just subscribe. You don't gotta like it. You could thumbs down it, but just subscribe. We're working on subscribers right now. So not even okay. Just be reasonable. If I get 300 subscribers, 300. I did my first getaway. I ain't gonna be nothing big because I don't got much, but anything will help, right? So, but like I said, the more coins I make, the more coins you make. You know, I'm just here to help everybody. I want to help everybody. I want everybody to eat. Should nobody have to starve in this world if everybody is come along and help each other out when they can, you know? But anyways, I'm gone because I'm full. Please like, comment, subscribe. I love y'all. Peace out.